Hey, what's good, son? It's your boy, Eon. You already know me, and this is Forever Slow Stroking the Podcast, episode 86, son. Thank you for tuning in. I want to first say this, son, please. I understand I am not a financial advisor, and if you are enjoying the content, like and subscribe. There are links in the description that'll give you free shares in different brokers such as Robinhood, Webull, even free Bitcoin on Voyager. So go ahead and check out all those links, son. But today, I really want to go over some new trades, right, son? I got some stuff that's it may be beneficial to you, right, son? And you may actually, learn something. Let me turn off this light. It's just too much light, too much brightness for me. But but anyway, son. So let's just jump right into it, right, son? So COVID seems to be picking back up, and I'm looking at TDOC. Personally, that joint is looking healthy, right? TDOC is looking healthy, and one thing I do like about TDOC is the fact that it jumped back into my range of being it's just a channel, right? Jump back into my channel, right, son? It is a downtrend, but it jumped back in that joint, right? I'm seeing some interesting price targets as well, son. Most of them have been lowered, but the great news is that analysts from companies such as JP Morgan, they still believe that there is more upside, right, son? And, I'm seeing price targets over $100, right? Some 115, some 125, and it's pretty good, right? Some, like I said, a lot of people have lowered their price targets. So, that's one thing, but the fact that the price target is fairly decent in terms of where the stock is now, I think that's great. The stock is currently sitting at just about $69, and I'm like, dang, son, that's valid. I've been playing TDOC for a while now. This week I actually made some decent profits off of TDOC, and I'm continuing to think that I can keep going in the bullish direction with some call trades, right, son? So I'm confident that we'll see a $70 TDOC price this week. So me personally, I'm looking to add on some more calls. And also, in case you didn't know, China and Australia, they're considering like shutdowns because COVID is picking back up, right, son? So I believe that pretty soon in the U.S. COVID will continue to pick up. So we'll see how that goes, but hopefully not, because the weather's nice. It just hit spring. And look, people trying to get their roll on, you feel me, son? But I'm playing for my calls on TDOC. I'm playing close to the money, so I'm looking at $70 calls, $71, even $72 calls, right? The highest I could ever consider would be 73, and if I did do a $73 call, it would have to be a high consumption, so I would have to do I don't even know, son. I would definitely have to do a couple of them joints if I was to do a 73 or above. But that's just what I'm saying for TDOC, right, son? Now, another one. Costco, son. Costco is in the bullish business, son. I think reports are spreading that we could possibly see a new opening in Arizona. And I think that's valid for Costco. Looking at the stock is actually pretty great. I see a lot of upside potential with Costco, right? But I do want to be conservative because I don't know what this market will truly do and how it really will act these coming few weeks. But I think Costco has been booming, especially with the recent fuel crisis, right, son? Currently sitting on some Costco calls at this moment, right, son? Hoping to take great home run profit on the open. It was sitting at a home run, what was this, on Friday, so looking to see a home run on Monday's open at 9:30, right, son? But I do want to play Costco to about 570. I do think Costco can hit 600, no doubt. But will it hit 600 this week? I don't know. But that bullish news, that rumor about the new location opening in Arizona is really great for Costco's upside, right? So I think $570 is extremely reasonable, considering that the price of the stock moves over $10 per day, right, son? So being conservative with my plays, looking at Costco, looking at TDOC, also Beyond Meat seems to be taking off, son. Yesterday was not yesterday, but Friday was a great day for Beyond. It seems it moved over 7%. I mean, recently, last week was a great week for Beyond. It's truly reversing, but I don't know if this reverse will continue. But for now, it looks good. Gonna see how it works out this coming week and then the following weeks ahead. So looking at Beyond Meat, but Beyond Meat is long term for me, very much long term, son. But yes, yeah, son, I think that is about it, son. So these are the new trades, right, son? Costco and TDOC. This is Forever Slow Stroking the podcast, son. If you need me, just hit me. But for now, son, I gotta go. Oof.